is a ride day and welcome home Philippines. So for now, we will be having a ride, but I had a good night's sleep because I'm using the Zamat butterfly cotton shaped cervical pillow, which is very nice kasi immerse siya into butterfly shaped pillow. And of course, this is certified, US certified siya, and it's nice because it reduces neck pain and back pain, and of course you have deeper sleep because of its ergonomic design. So it's very nice that I'm using this because I had like 8 hours of flight and then layover and then again flight. So it's very hard to travel if you have a jet lag. So it is 100% premium memory foam pillow, and it has 2 heights for the most comfortable position. So you can also do different positions like side lying, supine, and prone position, just like what I did when I'm sleeping. And it is hollow design and breathable with pillowcase din siya, guys. So you can also wash it if you want. So this is very nice because it's removable and you can wash the pillowcase of this without using another pillowcase na. So it's very nice and breathable, and it gives comfort for my neck, especially if you're having bad nights or if you want to sleep longer. So it's very nice. This is the most comfortable memory foam I've ever used. So it will be it gives you more of relief in your neck area. So yes, guys, so you can click on my description box below if you want to purchase one. So I also have the Zamat NekGenic cervical traction neck pillow with magnetic therapy. And if you can see it here, there is a stretching. It will give you more of ergonomically stretch your neck muscles, which is very nice, guys, kasi our neck should have a curvature. So we should be able to maintain that curvature for us to have a healthy neck and spinal structures. So as a physiotherapist, it's recommendable to use this as for me because most of the people I know, they have a neck pain because of their positions when they are sleeping. So if your pillow is too high or too low, it's not good. So this is one of the most ergonomic neck pillow that I've used. So it relieves neck pain, of course, upper back stiffness, and headaches, of course. It restores the natural curvature of the neck because most of the people I know as well has a neck or straighten their neck when it comes to x-ray. Why? Because of the muscle tightness that they have. And it also it relieves stress and for more increase of number of sleeping hours, and it reduces the impact of having chronic neck pain, and no harsh painkillers, which saves time and money, of course. So it's very nice. So magnetic in a term that it has a nanomag implant here embedded inside, which is a technology used for millions of permanent magnetic particles implanted here in the cloth area. So the magnetic therapy helps improve the circulation and reduce inflammation and can help soothe aches, especially neck pain. So it's the technologically advanced neck pillow. So I'm using this when I'm doing much of my errands or just having my phone or lying down watching TV. But I'm usually using this pillow, the butterfly one, when I'm sleeping in a long arch position. So guys, this NekGenic neck pillow has also key pressure points for targeted pain relief. So it's more of the Chinese things and active pressures, which is based here on our neck area. So when you see it in this pillow, it has a pressure point relief there. So it gives you pressure points to relieve most of your neck pain. So it's good for sleeping time or in the afternoon, or if you just want to take a nap. So it's also good when you want to travel because it's handy. So this one is for long hours position, and this one is for sleeping time and for taking a nap. So these two are very nice combination, and it's very nice for me because I travel a lot and I go to places. So also it gives me more of pressure relief when I'm doing some bike rides, because in my biking career or biking journey, I always do the aerodynamic position, which gives me more of neck flexing position. So with this neck pillow, this one, the NekGenic neck pillow, I can stretch my neck using this. So stretching my neck using this and having a sleep good hour night our side during nights. So 8 hours straight and with no hassle with different positions that I'm using. So this is the Zamat pillows that I'm using. So if you want to purchase one, you can link on my description box below. And let's go guys, we'll be having a bike ride for today. And we will go to maybe some of the places here in Pangasinan. So let's go! First ride natin today, and we're using the weekend ride. Ayun o. Na tayo ng Balonggao, chill ride, kasi may karera pala tayo sa March 11. So yeah, let's go! Actually, ang kinakatakot ko dito yung mga sakyan at kami eh. Ayun o, pag sa gilid lang. Time check, 6 a.m. Let's go! And shoutout na rin sa SPYDER, yung gamit natin, SPYDER helmet with shades. So, and also kay Ate Kat, so magpahiram ng bike sa akin, road bike. Si Liv. Morning! Okay, flat yung kasama natin. So, ito na yung way papunta na Naisiya. Tapos ako, doon kami sa kanan. Kaliwa papuntang Balonggao. Yan o. Here's the way. Alright. Morning, attorney. Yes. Napahiring mo. Hi. Ganda ng bag dyan, ah. Oo, ako walang karga yung isa eh. Yan, chocolate, oh. Kuha kayo, ha. Oh. Kuha ka, dali. Sige na. Hindi ka tataba. Sige na, kuha ka na. Kuha ka na. Welcome to my vlog. Kaya natin si Uncle dito. Balonggao. Rough. Rough. Mabait ha. Sanay na sa mga siklista to. Ahon, Balonggao. Okay, merienda. Bikers din ng Balonggao. Ganda oh. Lugaw. Trap. For content. Hi Kuya Ronald, kamusta?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Ensayo pa rin.
Ayaw pa rin.
Back to Giant. Bakit nga eh? Hi, kuya.
Ito yung bibigyan ni GL.
Oo.
Ano? May ganito ako dalawa eh.
Hindi mo nga ginagamit.
Ano sa ba?
Hindi kasi yan ano eh.
Ah,
Hindi siya insulated, no? Ito.
pirma yan.
Ah, wala. Ito yung mga binahagis lang.
Sa akin may pirma.
Hindi, no?
Ni Wood.
Ano yung what? Oh? Kasi nagbigay.
Ikaw na.
Meanwhile,
What? Tingnan ko. Tingnan ko. For the vlog. Sige! Sige! Ganito kami sa Pilipinas.
Just then,
Shoutout po.